how do you drive change? Some people have been there forever. Some people don't
Mhm.
see the value in the change. Some people are very protective of the brand and don't want to change because if we
Oh yeah.
change, we might mess it up, right? So,
Yeah.
how do you handle that?
What we found to be successful is the one-on-one interactions that we have with a lot of the business teams. I mentioned earlier we find those technology advocates. Those are the
Hmm.
individuals on a business team that are more willing to try and be flexible with technology. They're not ingrained in their process. We start to see this organic growth of acceptance because those advocates are now talking to their peers and they're excited about what this technology can bring and the time savings that are out there. And so, as that excitement grows, we get more and more advocates for a solution. For those that may still have difficulty in accepting this, we do work with them one on one. We sit down with them in a conference room. It is just us and them. It's like, okay, here's what we're hearing. Here's what we think is a good solution. What concerns do you have? If you had the ability to make one change, what would that be? Invariably, they're coming up with ideas of how it can work better within their mindset. And because we're using these cloud technologies, because we're using Salesforce, we can sit there and we can make changes on the fly, have them refresh and say, did we hit the mark here? Is this what you were envisioning? So we get them to talk more in depth of what their vision is for this, and we try to meet them in the middle.